Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, okay? Are you still spirit?
Yes, of course.
Good. Even though it's already afternoon, we have to keep the spirit of learning, okay? Before we start learning today, let's pray first. Start praying. Finish. Okay, next I will check your attendance first. Nadia,
Present, Miss.
present. Bella,
Present.
present. Devina,
Present, Miss.
Arya,
Yes, I am.
Bayu,
Present.
Henny.
Yes, I am.
Okay, done. Okay, by the way, what did we learn in last week? Anyone still remember?
Metabolism.
Catabolism, that's right. Well, one form of catabolism is fermentation. So, why today we will practice fermentation to continue the last week material. In previous meeting, I have provided information on what you should bring for this practicum. Have you prepared the material and tools?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. Next, the purpose of this practicum is be able to demonstrate the reaction of fermentation in carbohydrate metabolism and be able to identify the result of the fermentation reaction based on experiment. Okay, before that, I will explain a little about the theoretical basic for fermentation. Anaerobic respiration is also known as fermentation or intramolecular respiration. The process occurs in Saccharomyces cerevisiae with the same goals as aerobic respiration, namely obtaining energy. It's just the energy produced in anaerobic respiration is much less than in aerobic respiration. Carbohydrate can be fermented into alcohol. Glucose can be fermented by yeast cell into alcohol while releasing CO2 gas or carbon dioxide. But starch or amylum and carbohydrate monosaccharides other than glucose can be fermented by yeast cell. In yeast, pyruvic acid is decarboxylated before being reduced by NADH. The result is a molecule of CO2 or carbon dioxide and a molecule of ethanol. Actually, 2 molecules is for every molecule of glucose that is fermented. C6H12O6 become 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2. Okay, you get it?
Yes.
Good. Okay, now please gather with your group. Next, let's check the material and tools that you bring for group.
Let's go.
Bottle,
Straw.
glass,
Plasticine.
sugar,
Yeast. Chalk.
Water.
Finish.
Work steps.
First step is combine water and sugar, stir until dissolved, and put in a bottle. Two, add yeast and tight cover the mouth of the bottle with plasticine. Step 3. Wait for 30 minutes until the mixture of the sugar, water, and yeast look bubbly. 4. Carefully insert the straw and point the tip into the glass of chilled water. Make sure the tip of the straw goes into the chilled water. One last step, observe the changes that occur in chilled water. Record the results in the observation table.
Finish.
Okay, don't forget to take a picture while you're doing the practical. Okay, the observational aspect of observation result is 1. Water and sugar, 2. Water, sugar and gas, 3. Salt water in the start practicum, and 4. Salt water in the end practicum. Okay everyone, to discussion, please answer the 2 questions. First, based on the experiment, result explain the fermentation reaction, and 2. What gas is the produced from the fermentation reaction? Explain how you prove it. Okay, you get it?
Yes.
Okay, until here, there is anything you want to ask? If no, please start your practical.
After moment later.
Okay, time's up, time's up. Are you finished, guys?
Yes.
Okay, finish. Because the learning time is almost over, then please finish the report at your home and collect it at the next meeting in next week. Okay, you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, until here, any question? Okay, Nadia, please.
How the systematic of the practicum report?
Okay, good question. Please write the report on portfolio paper. Then the page for the front page is cover, and the page 2 is point A, purpose. Point B is basic theory. You can look for reference in books or some article. Then C is tool and material. Point D is work step. Point E is the result of the discussion, and point F is answer from the result of discussion. And the last page is take a photo of the result of your practicum documentation. Okay, it is clear? Or do you have another question?
No.
Okay, if no another question, we can end the meeting today. Before that, there are who want to conclude the today lesson? Okay, Nadia, please.
Anaerobic respiration is also known as fermentation. This process occurs in Saccharomyces cerevisiae with the is producing energy.
Okay, good job, Nadia. And the lesson today is very fun. Everything is orderly and runs smoothly. Before I close the lesson in this time, we preface so that the knowledge that we get can be of use. Okay, start praying. Finish. Okay, I close the lesson. Thank you for your participation and apologies if I have many mistakes. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon and see you later.